Hello, welcome to Tenhulzen Residential. We're a design build remodeling firm. This project was a master bathroom walk-in closet expansion, and it really needed it. The homeowners had a very small sink and a very small bath shower combo, and then they also had 3 different closets they were trying to make work for all of their clothes. So this really needed to happen, and I'm so glad we did. The master bathroom now has elegant, polished chrome fixtures, a rain shower head and handheld in a steam shower with frameless glass enclosure, and a Kohler Greek soaking tub that you're going to see very soon as you take this tour. The Velux skylight, well, that has a rain sensor, so it can be left open during the day and then turned down when it senses rain. The sink is a custom concrete sink and with the color of burnt ember. The hallway linen closet, well, that was replaced with a beautiful entry. It's fur with glass that is satin etched in a pocket door. The cabinets and walk-in closet, well, they're frameless maple with full extension and soft close. Enjoy your tour today, and thank you so much for coming. Tenhulzen Residential is a design build remodeling firm, and please come by and say hello. We're in Bellevue. Our phone number, 425-885-9871. So, are you ready to get started?